Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Mike Rose. I'm one of the business managers here at Alten USA. Thanks for joining today. Originally from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, my wife and I actually relocated from Virginia to work here. So very happy and fortunate to be here with the team and some really great people. Some of my favorite parts about working at Alten is obviously a massive amount of cultural diversity and some of the smartest people in the room. Just ask them. They will tell you. It's awesome. We are a great place to work and have some really brilliant minds. Primarily, I help support industrial, logistics, and manufacturing engineering within Alten USA. This is an awesome endeavor because I get to travel to many OEM, Tier 1, and Tier 2 sites. Design is not what it looks like or feels like. Design is how it works. That's a quote from Steve Jobs. Everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for spending some